Cline is a cutting-edge coding assistant aimed at improving the development experience within Visual Studio Code, Vscode. It distinguishes itself by providing a thoughtful, AI-driven methodology to coding, where it strategizes and executes based on the directives given by developers. This makes it an essential ally for those seeking to optimize their workflow and enhance productivity. A standout feature of Cline is its capability to deconstruct intricate tasks into simpler, manageable components. Prior to executing any code, Cline formulates a comprehensive plan, detailing its rationale and methodology. This systematic breakdown aids developers in grasping the process and guarantees that the code is implemented accurately. Cline possesses complete access to the development environment, enabling it to carry out end-to-end task execution. This encompasses direct file creation and editing with diff views, executing terminal commands while monitoring real-time output, and utilizing the Problems panel to address errors as they occur. Such extensive access ensures that developers can depend on Cline for a broad spectrum of coding activities. Another significant advantage of Cline is its extensibility. It supports the Model Context Protocol, MCP, allowing developers to design custom tools that enhance Cline's functionality. This flexibility enables developers to customize Cline to align with their unique workflow and project needs, making it a versatile and adaptable coding assistant. Cline is built to be open source and transparent. Its code base is accessible on GitHub, and developers can select their preferred AI model. This openness guarantees that developers have the freedom to tailor their experience.